Look at that spread. Let's go. Let's go. I see you climbing up the chart, looking overboard. Yeah, you're flying too close to the sun, giving all you got. All size 99. Tell me, is it real? Or are you pumping up the volume just to close a deal? I'm sitting calm in the shadows with the heavy position, waiting for the bulls to finally lose their vision. I see the weight getting long, hitting resistance high. Don't tell me that you're holding, baby, don't you lie. 'Cause the bid is getting weak, yeah, and liquidity is leaking, yeah. I see the panic starting to creep in, yeah. So tell the buyers good night, 'cause the bears are taking control again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Create the gap, make it fast. Yeah, the bears are running the show again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Down to the floor, make it crash, crash, crash. Drop that ass. Yeah, feel that order. Drop that ass. You're trying to find support at the moving average, but I know the fundamentals represent the savage. I borrowed shares at the top, sold them in the green. Now I'm watching red candles wash away the dream. I hear the margin calls ringing on the telephone. Suddenly the diamond hands feel all alone. The volume spike is coming in heavy on the sale. We're riding on the algorithm straight to hell. 'Cause the bid is getting weak, yeah, and the liquidity is leaking. I see the panic starting to creep in. Hands in the air, say goodbye. So the bears are taking control again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Create the gap, make it fast. Yeah, the bears are running the show again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Create the gap, make it fast. Yeah, the bears are running the show again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Create the gap, make it fast. Yeah, the bears are running the show again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Create the gap, make it fast. Yeah, the bears are running the show again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Create the gap, make it fast. Yeah, the bears are running the show again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Create the gap, make it fast. Yeah, the bears are running the show again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Down to the floor, make it crash. Lower highs, lower lows. That's the way the rhythm goes. Break the trend line, stop loss. Watch the valuation drop. Don't stop, keep falling. And don't stop, keep falling. Flush it. Cause the bears are taking control again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Create the make it fast. Yeah, the bears are running the show again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Down to the floor, make it crash, 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 crash.
They don't see the move, nah. They see it, taking it, yeah. Stocks was the warm up, yeah. Crypto's a new play. They don't see the move, nah. I see it in broad day. Pockets ain't your fast, man. We taking it hippo. That's the end goal. Stacking till it can't fold, yeah. They checking the headlines, I'm checking the chain. They seeing the panic, I'm seeing the game. They punching the clock, stuck in the rain. I'm building the future, I'm changing the game. This ain't no casino, there's a calculated play. They follow the herd, I go my own way. Buying the red, they'll be sick on the green day. I read the white paper, they don't know what to say. Yeah, this is for the ones who got iron grip. That's right, they sold at the bottom, they messed up the trip. about a deal. Add another chill. Let them run their mouth, man, I'm zipping the lid. Watching this stack go. Stocks was the one. Crypto's a new play. Crypto's see the moon play. I see it in broad day. Pockets ain't too fat, man. We taking it hippo. That's the end goal. Stacking till it can't fold. 6 figures, 7 figures, what's the deal? What's the deal? This ain't no get rich quick. This is a shift. Generational, this is a gift. They hoping for luck, I'm reading the script. I'm my own bank, now I am the boss. They can't see the vision, that's when they lost. I cut out the middleman, cut out the cost. Whether the winner, don't care about the frost. This is digital gold, this a new age. Turn my whole portfolio, turn a new page. They stuck in the past like a new praise. While I'm on the next move, building the stage, gone. I'm on the next move, building the stage, gone. They said it was nothing, said it was a dream. Now they all watching me, watching on screen. It's a lonely road. When you're the one who knows. When you're the one who knows. Yo, stars was a warm-up. Crypto's a new play. They don't see the move now. I see it in broad day. Pockets ain't your fat, man. We taking it hippo. That's the end goal. Stacking till it can't fall.
Yeah. They look at the chart and see history. I look at the chart and I see destiny. Yeah, I'm already there.
Oh, candles are painting, I tell them the color. You hedging your bets, yeah, you scaring your mother. I'm 50 lights deep and I don't even blink. I know what the algorithm's starting to think. Liquidity grabs, yeah, I see where it's hiding. The wave reposition, I'm already riding. Your stop loss is hitting, my take profits printing. You running the sprint, but I finished the mission before it began. God plan, I don't guess, I don't stress, I don't pray for luck. I see the setup form and I don't give a fuck. Vision is 2020, looking down from the sky. Watch the green candles fly. I go to tomorrow, I'm bringing the bag back. Stuck in the present, I'm off of the map back. I see the rotation, I saw it last night. I'm trading the future, I'm holding the light. I'm light years away, yeah, I'm out of your zone. The market is king, then I sit on the throne. I don't wait for the tick, I don't wait for the shot. On the clock, I done the fixture, I don't wait for the shot. On the clock. Look, I'm at the bottom while you were asleep. I'm playing for keeps, I'm diving in deep. The oracle speaks, I hold it for weeks or I hold it for seconds. I am a legend, a force to be reckoned. ES is jumping, NQ is pumping, I feel it coming. My heart isn't thumping. Go, ice, I'ma go. Made this stories told. I don't guess, I don't stress, I don't pray for luck. I see the setup forming, I don't give a fuck. Vision is 2020, looking down from the sky. Watch the green candles fly. I go to tomorrow, ain't bring the bag back. You stuck in the present, I'm off of the map back. I see the rotation, I saw it last night. I'm trading the future, I'm holding the light. I'm light years away, yeah, I'm out of your zone. The market is king, then I sit on the throne. I don't wait for the tick, I don't wait for the shot. On the clock, I'm the bitch, I don't wait for the shot. On the clock. Yeah. Top bottom, I'm already there. I go to tomorrow, bringing the bag, bring it back. You stuck in the present, I'm off of the map. I see the rotation, I saw it last night. I'm trading the future, I'm holding the light. I'm light years away, yeah, I'm out of your zone. The market is king, and I sit on the throne. I don't wait for the tick, I don't wait for the shot. On the clock, I'm a bitch, I don't wait for the shot. On the clock. Yeah.
Green team. Last day until the new year. We gotta rake in those profits today, traders. Rake in those profits. Now today's actually a full day of trading. Not so much here as kids are still on Christmas break, so kind of on dad duty and trading duty. So it's going to be an interesting morning. Going to be a little going to be a little bit of a shorter morning for myself. Smoked tuna in the building. Bonjour. Howdy do. Howdy do. Hope you had a good day yesterday. Great call yesterday, by the way, Mr. Tuna on EKSO. Now, EKSO, I don't want to take my eyes off today. You guys know I mainly like to hit the backside of those day one moves. So let's monitor EKSO today against a lot of that consolidation and resistance from yesterday. But we got a few plays. I got a lot of plays I'm actually excited about. And Fades is going to be here today for a little bit too. So I'm excited to get back in touch with him and see what he's trading today as well. So EKSO, I'm monitoring. ESHA, little low float play that was popping on up. And SOPA, very interesting ticker that I'm working a short on right now. But EKSO, great work there, Mr. Tuna. All right, let's dive into the watch list today, traders. Any big plans, Mr. Tuna, for the New Year's? For tonight? All right, so we got this play, EKSO. I'm actually working this right now. Or ESHA, ESHA. I like the upper wicks here. ESHA, I like the upper wicks towards 24 and took the short round 22 with 23, 24 risk. She's pulling back on right now, on back down. Might need to scale into that one, really. Size it a little bit. A little spready, but yeah, I think I'm going to do that. Give me 1 second, traders. ESHA looking good against the 23-4 area. I did not see any news on it. It's kind of wiki on the past chart history. Okay. Got a little fill there on ESHA. See if that thing can fade on back down a little bit. All right, outside of ESHA right now, I do like SOPA. SOPA, SOPA. So SOPA is kind of cracking a multi-day trend. It's cracking under the previous close. Couldn't really break out past the 420 level, SOPA. I think there's another ticker this morning that hit 422, ULY. ULY, not sure the news on this one. Anybody got? It's urgently.com. Information kind of sector, ULY. ULY's up, 420 hit. ESHA straight down. Let's go. I might have to monitor this a second because I did just add into it. Give me 1 second, traders. Not enough margin. It thinks I'm trying to buy. I'm trying to cover. Trying to cover my shares. All right, I'm going to take it right there. All right, 19. Very cool. ESHA. Good trade. That's the start of the morning right now. ESHA. All right. Good morning, MG. MG, where you been? Missed you in here, MG. Good to see you in here. And Joseph in the building. How's your train been going, Joseph? Good to see. We got the gang in here. Good to see you guys. All right. The other play I'm working. So ESHA's been pulling on back. I took that off. Right now, I have a trade on SOPA that's looking pretty good. I do like the SOPA short. SOPA against 330s. Let's see, previous close 320s. It's looking heavy. It's cracking a little multi-day trend. SOPA's been up last few days. So just looking for it to reject off of some key levels, 340s, 50s from the last few days. Like that one. BNAI. BNAI is an interesting ticker here. So there's some chat rooms out there that like to trade what's called the mid candle breakout, and BNAI is setting up for that. It looks less of a short right now, even though it's still up a decent chunk from a few days ago. But it based out around 210, 211, 12. It's in the AI sector. It's got that previous close here, 213. It's holding 220 now. I could see this maybe try to hold this and get a climb on it. BNAI is one that I certainly want to keep an eye on too. I really like smoked tuna BNAI. 90%. Tuna score. What was EKSO yesterday? EKSO was like a 94% tuna score. That thing was excellent on the long side. Yeah, so oftentimes I don't take the long, and maybe I should. Maybe I should here today. It's got really good RR. I mean, the consolidations in the 210s. And the tuna score is confirming that. SMX MG. Oh man, SMX. Yeah, I saw that this morning too. I was like, the SMX is such a look at this chart, MG. I mean, it was in a symmetrical triangle, lower highs, higher lows getting squeezed together. It cracked underneath that. Would have been such a good swing short from that crack right there, like 136.7 down, about 100 points. That was just sick when I cracked that trend. So, I mean, I look for that on some other plays even today, trying to find the trend crack. And there are a few plays setting up. I mean, CETX is one of the tickers I really like today. Now, this one was so annoying. Yesterday, oh my gosh. If you guys were a part of the stream over at TTP, I was so aggravated because CETX, I was trying to work the short, and this chart was just a POS. It was awful. This chart, it's just literally up and down. I liked the short here on CETX a lot based on the past chart history. Gapping up a good percentage. It was rejecting like Wiki, and I got stomped out on this wick right here. And then they came out with an offering midday. So they come out with an offering, and then right after I get stopped out, and they dump. And then it pops up and holds its gains. And I'm trying to I'm going in for sloppy seconds now. So I got completely wrecked on CETX yesterday. I just it wasn't playing it well. But with that being, well, what I really liked about it was looking at this chart, CETX, it made a move like last week. I mean, you have long stuck in this thing. And that's a video I need to do a tutorial on, like who's stuck in the trade and where. It's very important to understand who's stuck in the trade and where. That's psychology, a lot of psychology of trading. So CTX gave it the middle finger yesterday, but today I have not given it the middle finger yet. I still like it. CTX, they offered out at $2. I'm only gonna give it one trade today. CTX, they offering at $2.25, $2 or $2.25. Yeah, 225. All right, $2 million, 225. So, I mean, come on. Dilute your shareholders. Let's gravitate there. For some reason, offerings have been good news the last few weeks. They just aren't cooperating with that. Perfect Fall in the building. Perfect Fall having such major success over in the futures realm. So, we might have a green team futures mentor over here with Mr. Byron. Futures up a lot, 10,000 on the month or so. I mean, he's killing the futures. So love to see that, Mr. Perfect Fall. Maybe you can be my first millionaire challenge student. Let's go out on a yacht. Oh goodness, I have all these hilarious ideas running through my mind. I don't even trade futures. You're my first millionaire futures student. This is great. That's the marketing tactics they use, right? That's the marketing tactics they use. All right, so BNAI, yeah, let's monitor that against 220. I kind of like the long there. Okay, Sid U space. A lot of space plays. TS scores just one. Yep, all about the odds in your favor. Just odds stuck to the TS alerts. They've been so good these days. Yeah, you got to stick to that. Stick to the edge. Stick to what's working. Kayvon's in here. He does it very well. He sticks to his edge very, very, very well. So you got to do that. Outside of that, random trading will ultimately equal random results. Sid Hughes, guys, is kind of heavy on this trend, multi-day trend here. Space play. So there's several space plays. I think it was like ASPC, Sid U, and FJet was one of them, which is basing out. What tuna score you got on FJet? Because this thing made a move. Now it's basing out here around like 1250, 13. If FJet got going again, I mean, this thing could be massive. If that thing got going again. All right. So we have a few leading gappers this morning. ANGH is one of them. It's not that interesting to me. Yeah, MG. A perfect fall. He's about to become world renowned. Not enough data. Gotcha. Makes sense. ANGH on this trend, kind of steep trend, coming back to it. May crack under. It's testing it out right now. ANGH shares are trading higher after the company reported a year-over-year increase in H1 results. Revenue jumps after 1H. Revenue nearly doubles. Okay. Well, tiny float. It's rotated it already. 1.71, 18 million shares traded. A lot of volume there. Now, there's going to be a lot of longs eager, guys. After EKSO yesterday, there's going to be a lot of longs eager. For some trades today. So just be mindful of that going into today. The one I like, I'm working right now, SOPA. I may hit it again. I really want to see this stay heavy against 320s, 30s. SOPA. Honestly, where am I in? I'm in at 319 on SOPA. So we'll I might give that another smack. The spread's a little ugly right now, pre-market. ULY, very interesting ticker. I mean, this ULY, tiny float, nearly rotated. It had a straight up trend urgently yesterday. Oh, no, perfect fall. Just jump in there. I mean, you guys see me every day. There's gonna be weeks and months that you're not making that kind of money. You might be losing that kind of money, but you're a good teacher. 520, very key. ULY 520 on the past chart history. ULY. ULY. What are you thinking, Tuna? What's your score on it? ULY. That's in play today for sure. She's up a good chunk, 170s to 350s. 520 could be key. The 200-day moving average 463. So that's in play as well. Esha might be giving a sloppy seconds pop right now. Sloppy seconds on Esha. ANGH on the bottom, trend line crack. There's a couple others I really liked a lot too. This drama, DRMA was a play. DRMA 220, a lot of resistance. Drama 220, a lot of resistance. You guys see that was a major level of support. Now it's going to be a ceiling. Smoke tuna, CETX, and SOPA will still go down. I like them a lot, but that's usually my problem. I over leverage on them. So SOPA, I'm in there from 320, and then CETX, I really want to get in there, but the spreads are not favorable right now on Trader Evolution. I got 278 by 295 on CETX. But that's one of my favorite plays going into today. I mean, they offering it. This is one of the charts I love. Not only last week did they make a straight up move, but then They were getting top heavy around 330. They offering, they reclaimed as heavy under the previous close. It's a good, really good looking chart for some, for some selling pressure down towards that offering price at least. And then SOPA, of course, I'm gonna try to size that one. BNAI, I may take the long based on that tuna score and the chart. And then another space play, ASPC. We didn't go over this one. ASPC, this chart's been whack, absolutely whack. But every single day it gives like a spike and then pulls back, spike, pull back. If you guys really want the wild, wild west, AFJK, look at this chart. This thing's up from like a few dollars to 136 it hit. Yeah, we gotta hear your secrets, Byron. We haven't had a Friday night live stream in a while. We gotta hear your secrets. Give us the secret sauce. EKSO bleeding out a little bit. EKSO looking pretty good. Oh yeah, EKSO is one I'm really monitoring today. This is pretty much hangover, but it's given back quite a bit of its profits already, based off of 11. Yeah, because I'm in this real small right now, but I would like a pop. It's just way off of the risk I'd like to give it. But EKSO, this thing's up from 5 to 12. Definitely some room for that to profit take down a little bit. You guys know I like the day 2 plays. SOPA staying heavy. I might hit this one again, SOPA. It's been kind of my baby this morning. She's been doing real well, SOPA. Maybe next Friday, the 9th, to start off the year. Yeah, dude, I'm looking for a big, big trading year this year. It's like I saw this meme, it was funny. It had the rear view mirror and, like, 2015 all the way up to 2025. It was like, "This is gonna be my year," and they are all, like, X'd out, and 2026 is in the windshield in the front windshield. It's like, "This will be my year." So, 2026 definitely gonna be the year, guys. Definitely gonna be the year. But let's get Mr. Fades on in here. Mr. Fades, been a minute. It's been a minute. How was, Christmas?
It was good, man. Yeah, I had a good time with the family. Good trip up in Georgia. Got back late last night, so a little late to the station. Had to set up all my wires and monitors and whatnot.
Well, we know you were trading every day and probably at the dinner table on your phone.
Yeah, I tried to take it lighter. I had a couple little swings going on. I tried to take like the obvious shorts. It's been a good couple days though. A good clean couple days.
Yeah,
Yeah.
do you find it easier, like, when you're like when you are not so glued to the screen, like, "Okay, this is obvious, I gotta take this short," like, maybe sometimes not being
Mhm.
so glued may
Yeah.
help us out.
Yeah, that's what I've been actively practicing myself is just like, yeah, like completely avoiding like the overstaying or overtrading like at any degree. I think that's definitely key. Just
Yeah.
knowing like what setups are best, like where you do best, getting in where you fit in. And yeah, that's
Was,
definitely like the main keys of like trading because, like we talked about, like no one's built to sit there and trade from 4 or 5 a.m. or even like 9 a.m. to 4 and just sit there all day and trade. No one's built for
I
that.
know.
It's not realistic. So you got to figure out where you thrive.
Yeah, and you've done a lot of study on that, back testing, and you
Mhm.
realize, like, lunch hour is not your time, but there's, the morning and pre-market and after hours, so
Mhm.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So I haven't had like the complete bird's eye view that I usually have of the market lately. So I got to get a fresh list going here. But
Yeah,
what are your like main watches right now that you're looking at?
there's actually a lot of plays I like this morning. Yeah, let's jump into them.
I'm gonna start formulating a list here.
INBS is making a move right now, but I'm on daddy duty right now too. My kids are. Let me run through this real quick, then They're calling for me. I'm gonna let you take over. AEHL. AEHL is really good against 220. I'm not involved there yet. AEHL 220 is holding up very well. SOPA, I'm in that, and I'd like to get heavier on it. SOPA's really good. That chart's nice. SOPA. In that from 320, but I may size it a little bit more.
Yeah.
CETX, probably my favorite ticker this morning because they offered out at 220,
Oh, really? Okay.
225.
So did SOPA, right? SOPA also offered.
I think they did.
That price action was crazy. But yeah, man, or something. I can get a list going for myself. And
BNAI is holding 220 really well. That might be a good long. BNAI, yeah, that's like probably one of the only longs I've seen.
yeah, I was actually trading QBTX long past couple of days, like on that kind of bottom channel.
Oh yeah, QBTX.
Kind of interesting. Could be long swing kind of vibe if it's actually bottoming there. But let's see.
EKSO is hangover today, but
yeah, I traded that. I actually overnighted that one. I did cut. I'm all out at mid nines before Bell, but that one probably has more room.
Yeah.
But yeah, that was a good fade after hours. Did that same textbook, that textbook move around. It came a little bit before 4 that time. The fake out breakout into the after hour session and the fade. It's a pretty common trend we're seeing. You guys have been noticing that around 4 o'clock and like the king of the day runners.
Did SOPA offering? I don't recall.
I think did you say that they?
I may have the other day.
I think someone said they offered. Let me see. I'm gonna take a look back at like the 5-day and 1 month list. Yeah, SMX. I am a little upset about that one. I wasn't able to ride that one down. I've been blowing the whistle on it every damn day on the stream, but it's all good. I mean, I had like a small trade on it here and there, but I didn't get that $50. I didn't get a chunk of that big dump. It's all good. I mean, I was working other plays, so it's fine. You can't.
Yeah.
AFJK too. I mean, you got to keep that on watch. Like, it's obviously a sketchball ticker, but that thing could dump to $50 today. Like, I don't know what it's doing.
Oh, dude, I didn't go over AMCI. This chart
NBY is another one. I don't know if you've touched that, saw that one. NBY. It's been on an uptrend, but just wanted to kind of keep an eye on.
INBS at the Bell Traders. It's a low float play that's just getting if they had like a strategic partnership, you guys know how the PRs go. So yeah, INBS low float play that's might get that pop.
Okay, yeah, it might be turning the king of the day vibes, kind of uptrend.
SOPA is the only thing I'm working, and I'm thinking about leaning into it.
Yeah. Let me put SOPA on.
Let's see what's going to happen out here.
Yeah. Yeah, I've been practicing patience at the Bell too. It's just this, like yesterday at the Bell, some of those tickers, man, like the action is just crazy. Like dollar wicks and stuff, just madness.
Yeah.
It's like you're either like a big whale with big size and just like able to stand it, or you gotta like scalp the hell out of it, or just Bell trading nowadays is not for the faint of heart. On these names at least.
IMBS pushing higher. May go into a little halt.
Let's see. Is Capper still in play, or is that thing just kind of holding on? SIDU is another one, the interesting one, bro.
Oh yeah. I did go over that one. It's SIDU's heavy on its trend. I need to revisit that one. I'm monitoring IMBS because this may go into a halt right now. It's going into a halt.
Halt down?
Up.
SIDU?
Yeah, IMBS.
Oh, okay. I thought you said we were talking about SIDU.
IMBS. I'm getting involved in the halt up. All right. First halt of the day.
EXO. Keep an eye on that one for further pressure down. Has another point or two to drop if it wants. Looking kind
SOPA's
of
working
bearish.
out real well. SOPA's working out real well right
Yeah,
now.
it is. Yeah.
AFJK's halted. Oh my God.
Down or up?
I don't know. I just saw it on the halt scanner. Looks up, but yeah, it's going to open
Yes.
higher too.
Oh, wait.
SOPA, guys. Wow. SOPA's being great.
We got a lot of volume there. Yeah, a lot of shares coming through there. Ton of shares. Yeah, a
What's
lot of shares
CTX doing?
coming through.
CTX was one of my main ones.
EXO. Yeah, EXO pushing down. Smack that a little bit.
EXO.
And the SMX, that dirty little
EXO, you
dog.
son of a.
Why couldn't I have just SMX? Ugh. Like that liquidation. I wish I could just sat on shares and they wouldn't liquidate me and they would have just left it alone. That's one of the annoying things. But it's like I would have had to pay for those if I wasn't on the prop firm. I would have had to pay like overnight to keep shorting and stuff. So always coulda, shoulda, woulda.
Yeah.
Pressure. And then SOPA, they might have just swept that on the downside. That thing needs to stay heavy. A lot of buyers just kind of push that up off that wood.
Oh man. Yeah, guys. So SOPA involved with IMBS. I took the halt up. IMBS looks like it's going to resume 690s.
Yeah, good eye there. That looked like a good long. Yeah, that looked like a good long when we called it out. It literally pumped a point since we saw it, or half a point.
And ESHA's halted. ESHA's halted too. So SOPA took a little piece off. Yeah, ESHA's halted up too. Damn. ESHA's halted up. We got to monitor both of those. CETX was my favorite play that I have not gotten involved with and is working out. I got distracted, of course, by the high flyer of the day, per usual.
Yeah, typical. So typical.
Every time I say that, Nos is like, get your system going.
Yeah,
Like,
right.
BNAI bouncing off a 220. I mean, that was the long. I hardly ever call longs, guys, but it actually looked like a good long. And then, yeah, IMBS is going to monitor this. It's going to open up 690 at 936.20.
Sweet. I need to get my.
What are you working right now? Doug in the house. Good morning, green team.
I'm like an EXO right now. Yeah.
EXO. Yeah.
For that, that continuation.
I was in early.
SOPA, that kind of looks like they might have.
ESHA's about to open up. I'm IMBS at 936.20 in about another minute. ESHA's about to open up though.
Okay.
And AFJK.
Get my scanner up here. Still kind of getting everything set up from travel.
IMBS, all of them are about to open up. My eyes are on IMBS though. It's 685. It looks like the resume price right now.
Ding, 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 ding.
All right, did ESHA just open up? ESHA just opened up. And IMBS should open up here shortly.
SOPA dip and rip. Yeah, I didn't like that sweep down. EXO dumping.
Good work.
Let's see. What else we got? Yeah, SMX. Painful to watch that thing continue to dump, but it's all good.
Okay, INBS probably going into a 10-minute halt.
Okay. Let's see if anything else is catching my eye.
I gotta have my finger on the trigger here. I'm in a little heavy.
Okay. Gotcha. Which one is that?
INBS.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, that looked like a good long, man. Good work there. So, HYMC.
SOPA might be given another entry.
Right.
SOPA.
Yeah, it's tempting here again to try it, but I don't like that reclaim it did.
Okay, 941. We're probably going to open up here. Do we go higher? What's the vote? INBS. We just going to open up, halt down, or heading higher? What's the tuna score? Miss Tuna. ANGH heavy against 420. ANGH was a leading gapper.
Okay.
Heavy against 420.
AFJK, what a move. That's crazy. I think SMX's little brother. EXO jumping.
Okay. That one's working out great. And I kind of butchered that trade. Yeah, EXO being a really good hangover. Good work on that.
SOPA, Wiki West there, trap the Bulls or trap the Bears. Things just freaking reclaim city. NCL, we've been seeing a lot of cheap pennies continue to pump, like that sub-dollar pump theme. I've been noticing that when I look at the scanners, especially like pre and post. A lot of these cheaper plays, which we can't really touch on TTP. But honestly, they get me in trouble on offshore too because of the fees. Like it's just so expensive, the ECN fees.
Yeah.
You also have to pay that with TTP. So it's kind of like cheaper plays can be fruitful, but just more selective, you know. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything screaming at me.
EKSO is probably good on pops to hit on the short side if you didn't catch that initial entry. INBS. I'm trying to figure out if I want to take all or partial out of this halt.
Should be coming. Yeah, up 55%.
Mr. Josh, yeah, EKSO fades really got the hangover real well. What about you, Josh? Asha's chomping around. Yeah, she's been good. She's been good. I'm in this INBS halt, Josh, so I'm pretty glued to it right now. 9:41's the resume time. 41:20. Oh, yeah, you're in. Yeah. Good. Nice. Yeah, on the same plays.
Josh is long and short.
Yeah, well, he's
long,
likely.
INBS and short EXO.
Yeah, I'm long INBS, yeah.
Nice.
Where are we going, Josh? Where are we going? 10? 639?
Yeah,
we're going to open up
long before the bell.
674 is resume price. 674 is the resume price I got INBS.
SOPA, what a reclaim, dude.
I know.
That's that bell madness, you know, like that the over ambitious bear, right? Like
Yep.
the over ambitious bear on SOPA. When you don't want to admit you're wrong, step out of the way. That's a perfect example.
Opening up soon here, guys. INBS 670 is what it looks like. All right, took profit, heading out here, heading
Nice.
straight up, 690s, 680s.
Good work, man. Yeah, that was a great long setup.
It's likely going to halt again. Whatever it's going to do here, testing 7.
Yeah, I'd be scared to long it now, but that was textbook at the bell with that chart forming up and just the bell nature.
Up
And then
through
the
7
sevens.
now. There's Josh. There's your halt number 2 strategy, right? Pulled back just a little bit, straight up through 7. Let's see what she's going to do at
Imagine
7, guys. I am wanting a short down. If this thing, once it starts, I don't want to get involved front side, but once it starts selling off and snapping, profit taking, I do not mind smacking this into a halt down.
Cort, CORT, down 45%. FDA says they need more something. Chart's super bearish. I wonder if it's going to break down more. It's probably made its move. Just looking at the backside list, I like to do that sometimes, the leading losers. And of course, SMX is basically the second king of the laggers, down 24%. And then EXO is up there in the ranks too. It's one of the leading losers on the day. So EXO, see what that one wants to do. And
BNAI is that one. The only like other long I called for, BNAI, still looking good. 220s up to 240.
AFJK, is
What's
that
she
thing
doing?
halting down now?
It's 7-point spread, but yeah, let me know.
I'm gonna take like just tiny feeler just to get involved.
Esha halted up. Oh my god, Esha halted up. Yes, guys, the last day before the new year, traders are here. They're ready to rake in some profit. Yeah, IMBS.
Yeah, I mean, I don't want to get in the way of any irrationality. You know, it's like this is a time when the market gets irrational, so this can be a danger zone to be, stepping up to the plate for shorts. Just got to be more selective.
ANGH super heavy. Tap the 200-day too, bro. 420. ANGH real heavy. God, it looks good for like a stab. ANGH against 420.
Yeah.
What
does that even do? Any news? Ah, man, yeah, I think it's just giving up. It's like a death formation.
Yeah,
I guess
unless it's a
at this
death
point,
trap.
it's like chase it small. If it cracks right here now, lower probably. Like take a baby starter. If it cracks this low right here,
Esha's about to open up 24 is what that looks like. So Esha, IMBS, where all the attention is right now, and IMBS maybe getting a little top heavy up there, 740s. So
AFJK could be a bag holder wasteland here, but be careful if you're going to play it. I am dabbling.
all right, Esha opened up. It's spready. That one's very spready.
Okay. Esha. Why do I not see that? How do you spell that ticker?
ESHA.
Huh. It's not showing up on my scanner. That's weird.
Really? IMBS looks like it's about to go higher. Josh with the patience on this. Out 3/4 on the long. Nice work.
Yeah. Sweet, dude. Yeah, that
still
one looked really good.
I'm looking to flip short on it, Josh, here.
There's a kind of a sketchy candle there, and
when it decides to give its death candle, but not going to jump front side on it. Because, I mean,
staying heavy too, FYI. Not much
We
love
saw
there.
EXO. Yeah, like EXO was the play yesterday, right, Josh? And then it's I love that. So, Josh working the long on that, and then the next day working the short. And it's like the same thing with IMBS. Like
Yeah, the
day one.
cycles. The
Yep,
waves of the
yep.
market for real. It's like that all the bulls are roaring at this time of the day, so why not join the parade? Go to that party, have a little bit of fun, but don't overstay. You don't want to be there when the party's ending. That's not fun. But go there, show up, have a drink, leave.
Yeah, have a drink. Sopa hit the previous close, guys, and rejected off of that. So Sopa's still looking good.
INBS trying to do something here. I'm not
Yeah.
trading it. I'm just got it on one of my charts. EXO kicking back, size that one for the short. AFJK baby size, dabbling there on a short. It's just the two that I'm in right now. ANGH, yeah, I did crack that low. Are you in that? Are you involved, ANGH?
I didn't take it. No.
Yeah, it's like
It looks good, but it's
cracked
there's like
lower.
yeah, she does look really good. ANGH just there's no love coming into this name, guys. 420 held up, no love coming in.
Did we confirm what the fundamentals were that pumped it? Anything?
No, I didn't.
Let me see if they even had a PR.
Yeah, we're all over everything, traders. IMBS just kind of going sideways right there.
What are you guys looking at? What you guys working?
Man, ANGH is still bleed. I mean, this thing could just bleed down to $3. Oh. MG worked SMX. Baron in the building. What's going on? Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Yeah, SMX was like a short of the year, dude. Scam of the year.
Okay, IMBS profit taking some.
Shares are trading higher after they did a year. They had earnings, so ANGH was earnings pump.
Okay.
So, and AFJK, has this thing had any news, or is it just like a freaking?
Oh my lord! I think it's just one of those Chinese tickers. IMBS going to trap shorts and make another run up. Did you see what's going on with ULY? ULY urgently. ULY's got some good range to it, but
that was on my list at some point. That crossed my mind, crossed the watch list. Oh, very interesting. Yeah, what in the hell is
Esha straight down. Esha straight down. Just monitoring if
Esha?
that goes into a halt. Yeah, ESHA. 24 to 21 right now.
Interesting. Is that holding down, bro?
Not yet. Not yet. INBS higher.
Oh wow, look at that. Yeah, they did like a little fake out.
Yeah.
What looked like a big death candle, but it was actually like a small fake death
Man,
candle.
it's been the theme, dude.
Mhm.
Like,
yeah, that's why I'm like,
halt down, Esha. Halt down, Esha.
Like, I'm not trading it.
Halt down, Esha.
All right. You know what that means. Flip over to eval and get degenerate.
Uzo, we saw that yesterday with EKSO, and I literally, Josh, you still in here? I called it on TTP like exactly when it happened. I was like, look, with these low float plays, they can manipulate them so easily. Like that's why pattern recognition is like almost irrelevant to a certain degree because, okay, we're halting up IMBS. Oh my god, dude. Halting up IMBX. 64,000 shares just went into that. Oh my god. Jeez.
Yeah, dude. I'm good. I walk down the sidewalk. I walk down a different street.
Well, yeah, if I'm playing like this short squeeze up like this, which I am, I'm going less size than I was earlier just because
Mhm.
like we're up
XO
we're up a
printing.
lot. XO's been great. Yeah. IMBS looks like it's going to be opening up right where it halted at, which is kind of surprising. That likely moves. Esha opening up at 20.
Some coffee.
Oh, it looks like IMBS is going to be opening up even lower.
Really?
That's so strange how they do that. You have 64,000 shares coming in at 798.
Mini trap kind of.
All right. While those are doing their thing, I'm going to flip around. Yeah, ULY, there's range here. At ULY this morning, formed a descending triangle, and it's given a levels off of that for a short there, ULY.
Okay.
EKSO, good work there, man. Good work. That thing could be at $7 and end of day, you know?
Yeah. Right. Yeah. It's just like the less is more. Ain't broke, don't fix it. And plus, I've been stalking this thing. Like I overnighted it. You know, I woke up, I monitored it in pre-market, so like I wasn't just like a random thing. You know.
Right. SOPA is working out really well again off of the previous close tab. I might go in there again. I took profit.
Yeah, that was a weird reclaim. Let me take a look back.
It is a weird reclaim. I'm gonna get involved again. Set a stop.
ULY also is like that's really interesting.
Yeah.
Level it's at right now. I kind of like that to size, like to start scaling it. That's tempting. Kind of the same thing. Like it dipped hard, had that reclaim. Now what? You know, same thing with SOPA. Kind of similar. ULY get another bump up though. Yeah, SOPA. Man, part of me was like, this thing's overdone. It's time to smack it at like 320, 318. Like that's what I thought.
BNAI guys. Smoked tuna. We called it. Why didn't I trade it?
XO bag holder wasteland. There's literal bag holder blues there. It's kind of a textbook downtrend.
But, sock, bro.
Have
sock.
Your
Sock. Look at this chart. Look at SOC. Look at the chart I just pulled up. It's cracking its multi-day trend. I'm going to get involved there.
Okay. Yeah, that one's a little trappy, but it was good. So I'll be monitoring that for sure.
870s.
I traded it. I was stalking it there for a minute. I was milking it. She was pretty good. Down 4% on the day.
Esha's about to open up.
Damn it, SOPA. See, that's the theme, guys. The aggressive reclaims on the junkers, right? Like, that's the annoyance. Like, you get these trades that are working out really well. You know they're piglets. You know they're heavy. They're fades. They're scams. But then, like, on the downtrend, you get these random reclaims. They're just so absurd. And that can be painful, man. What's that?
What is Esha doing? This thing just opened up. It's just this plays. She's a wild one.
Yeah, it's gonna be manipulated. It's king of the day, man.
And then IMBS likely opening up here soon. IMBS, what are we doing? Is it going into a 10-minute halt? Or are we about to open up? Yep, we're open. IMBS opened up. See what she's going to do here.
Okay.
I'm going to flip short, I think, off of that weakness right there against 8. See if she buys up. We're going
Yeah, it's
small,
been
though.
trappy, so just careful. XO might try to bounce a little here. I'm gonna cover everything and then start sizing back in smaller. Secure the bag. This 8.5 level.
IMBS through 8.
Pretty much stalking this thing. XO.
Yeah, is that still lower?
Yeah, I just don't want to give back profit, so I went ahead and covered, and now I'm smacking smaller size, and I'm gonna adjust. See how the price action acts. If it's still heavy, I'll re-involve myself, but give it space for a little bit of reclaim here.
Socks looking good on that pull back there.
Sock, yeah. ANGH. Esha is just trappy action there for sure.
Yeah.
SOC is tempting. That CETX play you called for, that one's working out well. Yeah, what happened?
Yeah, cracked a bear flag. CETX she's still probably a trade there because
And they're
they
diluting?
offering 225.
Yeah, that looks pretty good. Like with the offering, like knowing that the offerings are.
Yeah, I think a little later than I'd like to be, but
Right, yeah,
may
exactly.
get involved there.
Yeah, later than we'd like to be.
I'll go smaller and just set a 280s. I don't know, 285 or so.
Yeah, and then AFJK is kind of trickling a little bit too, guys. Don't forget about it. ULY. It's like a lot of ones that like look pretty good, but nothing that's like screaming. ULY is tempting here, bro.
Yeah, I was looking at that this morning. What is it? Urgently against? Yeah, because it descending triangled against the 360s. I like it. I like that one quite a bit.
Spread's kind of wonky.
Yeah, I see that.
XO, a little bit more selling coming in there. AFJK level 2 is creeping down. That thing might give up. Just careful. Especially the volume rules, like you can't even. It's tricky.
IMBS MG. Are you going to call it the 820? See what she's going to do. Waiting for the halt down.
Waiting for the halt down, baby. Siren go. That glorious halt down. Yeah, ULY is getting smacked, bro.
Yeah, I got involved there some. Men 5 right now. CTX, SOC, SOPA, ULY, and a little small IMBS, but looking to smack that if it goes into a halt down.
AFJK pressure.
Is it halting?
It's kind of capitulating a little bit, but it's green on the day. Like, what in the hell? This is such a weird ticker, dude. It's so sketchy. Look at that. They might just end it here, bro. It's getting sketchy. AFJK. ULY is printing. working out well. I have to add to that.
Yeah, I'm with you on that. It's kind of dropping right now. Pretty
Mhm.
good. Yeah, ULY traders looks pretty good. AFJK pulling back off of the 130s. ULY up a lot, but yes, today the day this is hangover-ish as well, ULY. So I think it's worth a stab for sure.
XO trying to bounce a little bit here. I'm gonna cover all for now. Reassess if it gets pressure lower. AFJK.
INBS looking a little heavy here. We'll see if this another trap.
SMX continuing to trickle down. And especially like the AFJK, if SMX gives up, AFJK might follow because they're kind of like similar plays, like expensive, just random pump. Like what the hell?
INBS, little selling pressure. Let's see
Short
if it's
there.
gonna.
INBS.
I got a little short.
Okay.
I'm gonna hit it if it halts down.
We'll dabble.
Mr. Byron, out on the day.
Congrats on
green?
the success lately, Byron. So you're with Take Profit, right? Like you're advocating for them. That's your bread and butter now. Is that Take Profit? Correct me if I'm wrong. Because you're inspiring me to try futures, man. That's awesome. Byron's the first green team prodigy.
Yeah.
We've done good work around here. I'm proud of us, bro.
Esha's just back and forth, but
Yeah, that thing's
that's
sketchy.
super sketch.
That sock is slowly working too. You called for that thing's might be. Are you in that? Are you in that? Sock?
Yeah, I'm in
Yeah, I
that.
might have to throw a little there. ANGH death candle. Damn. That thing's just going to nothing.
Should I get involved there, ANGH?
Damn.
It's like somebody's working that thing down.
Right. It's up
Big.
60% on the day.
I'm gonna get involved there. Feeling some FOMO. Well, it just has a lot of room down still.
Off the candle it just put in, like if it reclaims 3.8s, even 3.9 for sure.
And then INBS. What are we gonna do? Everybody's watching INBS.
That glorious hog down. ULY is starting to come against us now. I don't like the looks of that. Did like another little sweepy reclaim kind of thing. Needs to stay heavy here, really at 3.5, 3.6. Not going to give it much more.
INBS about to do something. Let's she's getting squeezed in this little like a little wedge here.
Stock dumping.
Nice. INBS is testing that 50-day out, 734. It's like crossing through that. Oftentimes they will retrace it.
Mm-hmm.
Right now it's just bull city right now.
Windy City.
Yeah, Sock's the one working out real well.
Mm-hmm. Ton of volume. What in the hell? That's crazy. UOY looks like it's gonna stop me out. That was annoying, but whatever.
Sopa's about to stop me out. She's curling back around.
Yeah, that one's also annoying. That same reclaim, that aggressive reclaim, wonky
Yeah.
trend. EXO might be trying to confirm downtrend. Keep an eye on that one off 9. AFJK not really getting much love back up here. UOY, sketchy ticker. I'm done with that. Let's see.
INBS, we're going to do the EKSO yesterday, and we're at that point where it's like might gravitate towards 10.
SOC got like crazy volume come through. Like what?
Maybe a halt up.
Tens of thousands of shares.
Yeah, it's halting up.
Where?
INBS.
Okay. Yeah.
INBS halting up.
Back involved with EXO off 9.
Okay. Yeah, that's a good. Yeah, that's a good risk level. That pop it just put into.
Mm-hmm. Gave it room to breathe. Covered at 8.5s. You know, stepping back in. New risk level. Yep. ULY. Good move to get out of that freaking piglet. You know, when it starts going against you, you don't need to stick around. There's plenty of other ones in the sea, in the pool, in the ocean. Go swim somewhere else. CETX continuing to dump. It's just slow, though. Yeah, at this point, kind of chasey. I mean, man, I should have been on that one sooner. You were on it. When did you see it? At what price did you catch that at?
Which did you?
CETX.
CTX. It was my favorite play doing pre-market analysis, but I didn't take it. I got distracted.
Yeah, you called that one. That was literally like textbook short. Your favorite one.
Yeah, it's all good.
Yeah. So IMBS, the Clear King.
SOC is looking real good. I'm working that SOC.
Yeah, I'm in that one. I like that one, and EXO, and then AFJK as well. Those are like the 3 I'm
SOC cracking this trend. Actually looking really good, guys. This trend line here is cracking real well. What, SOPA just halted? Oh my God, SOPA's getting a squeeze up on it. What is the hell is going on? Yeah, SOPA halted up. All right. Short squeeze kind of day.
Yeah, and it's like you got to see that pattern and know when, to size down or step away as a short, or just come back in the afternoon. Like don't complicate it. Like you see all the bulls rushing, just take a break, come back in a couple hours when things calm down. Especially because it's New Year's Eve. Like probably a lot of traders are aggressive right now, trying to make some money, and then around lunch it's all going to slow down. I bet, if I had to guess. So I'm just taking it kind of easy now, chilling out. Maybe snipe some stuff this afternoon, but just take it light.
Yeah, I think so. You guys know what we're watching. I gotta go make sure the kids are not killing themselves down there.
Yeah, dude, go enjoy the new year and stuff. And tomorrow we're off, and we'll be back on Friday. Yeah.
Yeah, good work, traders, today. A lot of good opportunities and plays. You know what to watch. Let the trades come to you. Fades, good to have you back.
Yeah, man. Good to
SOPA
be back.
Halted up. IMBS halted. A lot of halts today, but yeah, good work. Be safe. Have fun. Don't drink and drive. Any message you want to give?
Yeah, happy holidays, guys. Just enjoy it with friends or family, and enjoy a little time off in the market. Just reflect, and we'll come back stronger for next year together. and push on forward.
Yep, traders, we will, as they always say, see ya next year. Friday. All right, guys. Take care. Have a great New Year's, everybody.